Brad Williams, XL Prime. Who is customers A's most common manufacturer? Using index match and nesting match within mode, we can come up with some creative output. What we're going to do, we have a customer. We have recognized names. We have manufacturers. All we want to do is determine, based on our pre-selected customer, who's the most common manufacturer. Here's the formula. We've seen this. The mode function may be something you haven't seen before. Mode returns the most common number. We have multiple nests here. With mode, what are we doing? We're just looking for a number. Not a big deal. We can play around with this if function. It could be our number. It's going to be our number. From there, we're going to look at the logical test. Customer, 830. Here's our customer name ranges, B5 to B13. Then we have manufacturer, another name range, which is going to be white acorn. All we're doing is if customer 830 are predefined, if Walmart is equal to F5, do this match. Otherwise, don't. We don't have a value of false, okay? So we're just looking for one output here, a true. And match, we're going to go lookup value, manufacturer 830, C5 to C13. Our lookup array, we're looking up within ourselves. Not a problem. We have to make sure that all we're doing is looking up Walmart. If it's true, then we're going to throw this over into mode. Mode's going to come up with a number. If it's true, let's take a look here. Lookup value F9 and our match array F9. Our lookup array F9. And you can see any matching, we're going to count. Mode's going to count. So we're going to have, well, this is thrown over into match. They're going to be the same. So we're going to have white, acorn, Smith, acorn, acorn, white, 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 Smith. What's going to happen here? This whole thing is going to be value if true. So we're going to have a bunch of 1s, 2s, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 3. Because Smith is 1, and we have how many Smiths? 4. Mode is just going to find the most reoccurring number. In other words, the number we see the most often. Back out, and it's white. I said Smith, but I meant white. You see white, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's all mode does. If we look at Home Depot, we can see match, match. Now, be careful here because we're looking at Walmart. We don't want to combine whatever's going on with Home Depot. We're just looking at Walmart. Here, acorn, acorn, and then white and Smith. The output for Home Depot will be 2. Over here is a narrative. I've got some combinations in here or some options that you can include. If you want to see odd, if you want to see every other, you can incorporate that formula. And then if you are stuck in terms of this match mode nesting, just tear it apart, break it down, and break it down by the if statement or by the match or all, and then work backwards. Try to visualize it. Read the anatomy if you're stuck. This other formula is the same thing. All I did was compare Walmart to Home Depot. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.